Udokotela uVikilahle utshele ikhomishana yophenyo ukuthi wakhuluma nezikhulu zenyuvesi ukuthi ukuqalwa komthetho wokukhishwa kwabafundi ezindaweni zokuhlala kungalandelwanga uhlelo olufanele kungaholela embhikishweni.
What is being done by Ms. Mambanga, I doubt it's appropriate because he has no right to go to students on the odd hours with the premise that is or a pretense of saying you want to implement Rule 18. Because now I can say those are evictions.
Uthi kunezinsolo ezithinta abantu abathile enyuvesi angeke akwazi ukuzidalula kule khomishana ngoba kungabeka impilo yakhe engcupheni.
You know what, Judge? I think it's public knowledge. Most of people they know, but it cannot be me as a mouthpiece to say those allegations. My life will be at risk.
So uba wena unolwazi onalo olukhomba kwamanye amagosa euniversity uyanyanzeleka usixelele ukwenzela ba le nkqubo yophando izokwazi ukuyifumana lo information ibone ke yona ba iza kwenza ntoni naziphi na izidululo ngalonto.
Le khomishana yophenyo ezimele yasungulwa kuba iphenye ngesigameko zokudutshulwa kwabafundi ngesikhathi kunombhikisho ngoMbasa. Kulombhikisho kwashona umfundi uSisonke Mbolekwa abanye balimala. Le khomishana izophinda ihlole udaba lokuphepha kwabafundi nezinsolo zodlame.